Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to explain everything there is to know about signing into your existing account on the YouCut app. So let's get started right away. If you haven't already installed the YouCut application on your device, open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store and then tap on Search. From here you can search for the YouCut application, and once you find it, you can tap on the Install button to begin the download and installation. Once it is done, you can open up the application by pressing the Open button. When you do this, this will directly take you into the home page for YouCut. And when you tap on the gear icon, there is no particular option to log in or sign up. However, this application stores your data locally inside your phone. So if you haven't already cleared your data from your application page, then you will still be able to find your old files. If you tap on the plus icon, here you can see the draft section, which will save your old projects. You can open up your old projects from here and continue your edit right away. Any progress that you make within your drafts will once again be saved in your phone locally. So make sure that your local data has not been cleared, and anytime you reinstall the YouCut application, you can just access your phone data to continue editing from where you last left off. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about logging in to your existing account on the YouCut application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.